My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Jaguar I-Pace. This vehicle was done just under 69,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control, cruise control, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen, we have key features such as My EV, Apple and Android CarPlay, in-control apps, web browser, and our eco data. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below that, we have our climate control. And within climate control, we can activate smart climate, which will improve the vehicle's range. To the left, we have our heated seats. The I-Pace comes with a variation of different driving modes to choose from. So we have comfort, eco, rain, ice and snow, and dynamic. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather cream interior and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.